Secrets to prevent sagging and deep wrinkles in your face while losing weight. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Ever wonder why some people look great and others look older after losing weight? A lot of people complain that the skin on their face tends to sag, has more wrinkles, and loses its plumpness. Can this downside of weight loss be minimized? Naturally, there is some level of fat loss in the face, but deep wrinkles, sagging, dull, and unhealthy-looking skin can be avoided. With strategic nutrition, hydration, and daily skincare, you can keep your skin looking young, glowing, and minimize wrinkles. Before I get started and share how to avoid aging in the face that accompanies weight loss, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. Lose weight slowly. Dropping a lot of weight too fast is a recipe for sagging skin. Take your time and your skin does a better job of adjusting. 2. Take control of your dieting. Every time you lose and gain weight, your skin elasticity is affected. Your skin can only bounce back so many times. Managing nutrition is complex and is not always easy to address on your own, but a holistic nutrition coach can help you put a stop to the dieting dysfunction and to finally get off the roller coaster. 3. Collagen Peptides. Collagen is sometimes referred to as the skin's glue, as it helps give skin strength, plumpness, smoothness, and elasticity. Collagen peptides work from the inside out, nourishing the deepest layers of the underlying dermis. 4. Get plenty of water. The cells in your skin will become more elastic and plump when you are hydrated. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 5. Microneedling. This is an all-natural procedure you can get done in a spa, or you can purchase your own and do it at home. The microneedle creates small wounds on the surface of the skin. These wounds then trigger the brain to start the formation of collagen and elastin, the two major proteins that contribute to younger skin. 6. Eat a diet rich in phytonutrients, chemical compounds found in plants. When free radicals run rampant in our body, they cause deterioration and destruction of our healthy cells. When we eat foods rich in phytonutrients, it will quickly activate a group of enzymes that go around cleaning up the free radicals before they cause cellular damage and aging. In other words, unless you are eating a diet full of colorful vegetables and fruits, even the best wrinkle cream will be less effective. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. 7. Avoid too much long, slow cardio. During cardio, your body is filled with free radicals that wander around your bloodstream and attack your cells. Do shorter, more strategic workouts that burn fat and minimize accelerated aging in the face, like high-intensity interval training (HIIT). Also, leave a comment below this video if you want to learn a HIIT workout. 8. Drink green tea daily. Research suggests that green tea contains protective compounds that help prevent the breakdown of collagen, the cause of wrinkles. A cup a day keeps the wrinkles away. 9. Eat gut-healing foods. Your gut integrity and your skin go hand in hand. Gut-healing foods like bone broth, fermented foods, kombucha tea, pasture-raised animals, avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, and salmon also lend to beautiful skin. 10. Lemon water. The vitamin C in lemon helps boost collagen production. This, in turn, helps restore elasticity to your skin. Lemon water also detoxifies the liver, your biggest fat-burning organ, so you get an extra bonus. Drink a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. 1/2 lemons in an 8 to 12 ounce glass does the trick. Bonus. If you want to learn how to lose weight without doing a workout and getting wrinkles, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.